Our skin loses radiance due to various reasons. For example, if you sleep less, not exercise, not eat a balanced diet every day, etc. Today we will show you how to whiten and brighten your skin in a homely way. At fast, take 2 tablespoons wheat flour in a bowl. Much like besan, gram flour, you can use gram flour as a face pack to fight oily skin, cleanse out toxins, reduce tan and dark spots and improve skin elasticity and brightness. Besides, you will be using a completely natural ingredient to give your skin a dose of goodness. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, it may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is because humectants draw moisture from the skin without replacing it. Add 2 tablespoons rice flour. Apart from its anti-aging and skin brightening properties, rice flour benefits for skin include being a wonderful exfoliator. The fine particles of ground rice help scrub dead skin cells without being harsh on the skin. Rice flour can also be used to get rid of acne and absorb excess oil. Add some raw milk. You can use it as a cleanser. The lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E, and K, and protein present in milk makes it a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent. It's a good toner for dry skin. Milk masks help clear dark spots, heal tanning, and acne over time. Mix well. Apply this mixture to your face and neck. Apply this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rub it gently to remove the face pack. Rubbing helps to remove fine facial hair and dead cell from your face. If your skin is sensitive skin, then don't rub your skin. Only direct wash with normal waters. Now you can see the result. My skin is so much fair and bright. Apply this face pack every 7 days, then uses it 3 to 4 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.